Good evening, friends. I am CSMT admin. I want to give you an important information or sensitive one about the CRPF open fire during the West Bengal election 2021. The statements and the reasons to justify their problem is point number 1. The CRPF. Wait a minute. There are totally two data peoples, CISF and CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force and Central Industrial Security Force. The CISF is not included in that. I have mentioned it wrongly. The CRPF, I mean the Central Reserve Police Force, has been allotted for the election duty on West Bengal, and they were surrounded by the 400 locals. I don't know the exact name of the location, but in that West Bengal, nearly 400 locals from the jungle, they have surrounded the army men and they have asked them to go off their duty, and those army men have refused to do so. Point number 2. Some of the riot members, riot in the sense they try to create ruckus or they try to harm the others. That's why they are called riots. They try to attack the voters who are polling inside by grabbing the gun from the army men. So here starts the open fire. Here in this, as soon as the men who grabbed his gun and went to the polling booth for firing the voters, they had no way, so that they started the open fire on them for the self combat, or how to say, self protection, we can also say, also for the sake of the voters also. If they hadn't conducted the open fire, the riots would have shot every voters with the guns of the CRPF. So this is the reason why they shot, and only 4 casualties have been reported. 7 heavy injuries also reported. Here there are many rumors running about them, but here I am to clear that point number 1, the rumor. The CRPF is treating everyone like Muslims and Pakistani and terrorists. First reason, according to army men, once when a person violates the rules and regulation and grabbing the gun from the army is very offendable, so that they have complete rights to have an open fire. The reason behind the grabbing the gun is to harm or kill the voters inside the polling booth, so that they have started to fire, even not for their security, for the voters' security. But many haven't realized that. And the second reason is they cannot gain anything from these violence. Some of the political parties are often conflicting them into the problems that they are the reasonable persons who are responsible for the attacks, but here I can say that they are responsible for the only one person's death attack, that since it is an open fire, only one 18th year student or 18-year youngster have been killed. The two, he is innocent, or yet we are not reported confirmedly. So without any proper report or information, there are many rumors spreading, and as soon as the locals have been fired, they have also started the rumors saying that they are ill treating, they are harming, they are beating, etc. but if they do, they would be suspended by the Indian Army officials. And the Indian Army officials also confirmed that it wasn't a planned or it wasn't a goon attack. It is a self protection attack, also for the safety of the voters inside the madrasa booth. So, here we can justify that the CRPF attack or the open fire on those four riots is not valid. They are completely innocent. They cannot be sent for guilt anymore. Hereafter, the commanding officers, commanders, or generals may decide about the